Not all slime is created equal. It's not always glue and borax. With the popularity of slime today, you can go to the toy store and find so many different variations. This one is a powder slime called Graagu. It's actually a powder that turns into a slimy material when you add water. It's a super absorbent polymer that absorbs a tremendous amount of water, add all the coloring, and you get something that looks like this. Now, this slime, scientifically speaking, has a molecular weight of about 4 million. So it is extremely slimy and gooey. Look at this. It behaves kind of like that liquid and solid at the same time. You can pick up a giant glob of it and let it back down again. But what's crazy about this kind of slime is that this slime will siphon itself out of the container. And to see that, you gotta pour them into these beakers over here. Ooh, looks good. Perfect. And now, there's no way I'm gonna be able to hold this without getting this off my hands. It is so slippery and slimy. Watch how it works. This material is crazy. When you pour it out like this, it will actually pull itself out of the container. Look at that. And flow into the other container without changing the position of the beaker. I'm not tipping it much, and this polymer is pulling itself out of the top container to the bottom container. Look at that. It will siphon itself out of the container. Look at this. Now, you just have to be careful playing with it because it has a mind of its own. It can pull itself out, and if you're not looking carefully, it makes the biggest mess in the world. These super absorbent polymers make for amazing toys. See, I told you, here's what happens. You can't, look at it, won't go back into the container. This is maybe the coolest slime in the world, but it's truly, I can't get it. It's the messiest slime in the world.